In this lesson, I am going to show you how to add, edit, and delete your customers. So, of course, we could go to the plus new icon here and click on Add Customer. So that's probably the fastest way to jump in to add a customer. So this is going to be customer example 1. And when you add a customer, you can put in as much information as you'd like. You also have the option to make them a sub-customer if you'd like. So in an earlier video, I created a customer 1. I'm going to make customer example 1 a sub-customer, just so you can see what that looks like. So when we look at our customer list, I'm going to go back to customers here. Anytime something is a sub-account or a sub-customer, you'll see that it's indented to the right, and that any totals and transactions will all roll up to customer 1 so you can view them quickly. Now, let's say I want to edit this customer that I just created. So if I click on customer example 1, I can just go to edit right here, and I can literally change any details that I want. I can add new details. I can make it not a sub-customer. I can say don't bill parent customer, which in this case, if you click on these little question marks, it's going to take you to information provided by Intuit to help you understand what that means if you click on that feature. All right, so I'm going to just hit save because I don't actually need to edit or add anything to this customer. Now, let's say that you created this customer by example and you don't want them to show in your customer list anymore. You have the option to either make inactive or merge. So if you just don't want the customer to show in your list anymore because you're never doing business with this customer again, make inactive would be the right choice. If you want to get rid of customer example 1 because you actually have already created that customer and you have a duplicate now, then instead you'll want to choose merge contacts. So here's what we're going to do. So we want to merge customer example 1 into, let's just say that we want them to be customer 1. So we didn't mean to create a sub account. That was supposed to be a single one. You cannot merge from a sub customer. So before we can do this, we would have to edit customer 1 and say that they're not a sub customer. So I'm going to hit save there. And now let's try, not make inactive. We're going to try merging contacts. So customer example 1 into customer 1. And click merge contacts, and now we can merge them. And then if it turns out later you decide that you've made a mistake or you've deleted a customer by example, it's really simple. You're just going to click this make active button and voila, the customer is back. So in this video, we've gone over how to add a new customer, how to edit a customer, and how to merge and delete customers as well. I think it's all fairly straightforward here in QuickBooks Online, and just note that for anything that you do, you can almost always redo or fix it. So for example, if I want to see what happened, I can go to the gear icon, click on the audit log, and come see what I just did. See if I deleted a customer that I shouldn't have. You can come here, see the audit history, and then undo or redo anything that didn't turn out the way that you wanted. Now this is taking a little bit longer to load than I would have expected, but that could just be because we are in the demo file. So again, in a real client file, you'll be able to come here, come to the audit log, see what you've done, and then that way you can follow those steps to fix whatever it is you need to fix. So again, getting to that customer center, we're going to go sales and customers, and then you can do anything that you need to do with your customers from here.